What the problem, Mikey?
Sometimes I have to wonder if you're alright, you know. It's almost a year now she not hear from you.
Surprise, what? You didn't expect to see me one day?
Honestly, mommy, I don't know.
So you say, she just turned up at the house, so?
Over a year now.
That's strange, star.
Yeah,
I'm fine. I think we should sit somewhere else.
How she find you?
The whole reason with her, you know. Cara, you in a trouble again?
I'm gonna need some space from you.
There.
You just need us to be a baby father. Just give me a shoulder for you.
Katie. What you say? May I come link you?